everybody, today we are doing a review of this beautiful, everybody's dream bag, including mine, the Birkin 25 Togo leather gold on gold. She's so pretty, and this is my 2.5 year review, almost 3 years of this bag, because I purchased it in 21 and it'll be 22, 23, 24, 3 years in August. But yes, she is in immaculate, beautiful, perfect condition. I have absolutely zero corner wears. Hardware is perfect, pristine, and intact. No tarnishing, no scratches on the hardware. The sangles are still good, and this is how I store her or like display her. You've seen her on my shelf just like chilling open like this, just because I don't want the sangles to be tired and just like kind of droop down, because it is Togo, which means it's more of the softer leather. It's so pretty. I occasionally would put twillies on her when I do wear her, just because you never know, are your hands ever really 100% clean? So anyways, I do put twillies on her. Stitching is still good. The interior is good. I also do not wear I don't put, what is this thing called, I don't use bag shapers or bag organizers on this bag, but yeah, she's still so pretty and immaculate and pristine. And I don't really use any leather conditioners or anything like that either. Yes, so pretty. I love it so much, and it's just so cute. Love it. Stunning. But yeah, this is how she looks. And style wise, you guys have seen on my Instagram. I need to post more photos on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow, like this video, and then go to my Instagram and also follow me on there. But she goes with everything, anything and everything, whether it's be casual or dressy, dresses, date nights, late nights. I wear her all the time and it goes really well. The only thing that is not my favorite about it is you could only really wear it top handle. Occasionally I can fit it on my wrist. I am not the smallest person out there. I'm a size 14-16, so my wrists are fairly substantial, so even that I have to like kind of wiggle it, especially because I do wear bracelets and watches and such. So yeah, it's just, that's the con that I have for this bag, is that you're very limited to the ways that you can wear it. If you absolutely have to be hands-free, I would never put my purse on the floor, let alone Hermes. But you know, things like that, which kind of sucks. Also, it can be heavy just depending on the items that you've put in the bag, because it is full double lined leather. It's got some weight to it, especially if you put the clochette in there, which I have it in here. And this thing is a weapon. I'm gonna tell you right now, this thing is a weapon. If you put the clochette in the bag, it tends to be weighty as well. But especially if you put like perfumes, water bottle, just things like that, that would make more, like, it would add a lot of weight into the bag. It would make it a lot heavier, and then you're really only limited to holding it this way. Also, the prices have gone up, but then again, if you're spending money on things like this, then I would assume it's worth it for you and you could afford it, right? So the prices, even though they have gone up, it's still not as crazy as Chanel prices. Chanel has gone delulu, absolute delulu. A Chanel, I think medium flap or a large flap, I can't remember which one I saw in the purse bob, cost as much if not more than the Birkin 25. Retail, I get it, like you can't just walk into an Hermes store and ask for Birkin 25, but Also, the whole game and plan, like that's for a different video. Nonetheless, if you could get it at retail, an Hermes bag versus a Chanel bag, of course I would opt for Hermes anytime. Granted, Chanel has more of the hardware. You get more leather on Hermes. But that's what, you know, that's what Hermes is known for, is for its leather. Which is why this is so beautiful. And so I would say that was a con because of the price. But everything else is a pro. The fact that it matches with anything and everything. You could wear it anytime, anywhere, any place. And the leather itself is beautiful. So the con, or the pros definitely outweighs the con. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review and roundabout of this bag. I love her so much. Please subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.